If you're experiencing a verification pending status on Coinone, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you navigate the verification process effectively. Step 1. Check your email. Ensure that you have received any emails from Coinone regarding your verification. Sometimes additional information or documents may be requested via email. Step 2. Review submitted documents. Log into your Coinone account and review the documents you have submitted for verification. Make sure they meet the platform's requirements and are clear and legible. Step 3. Resubmit documents. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Contact customer support. If the status remains verification pending after resubmitting, reach out to Coinone's customer support. Provide them with your account details and inquire about the status of your verification. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After contacting support, wait for their response. Verification can take time, so be patient. Keep an eye on your email for any updates or requests for further information. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending issue on Coinone efficiently. If you continue to experience problems, consider checking community forums for additional advice or updates.